Morning class, we're going to go over 2.2 now, solving equations. Yesterday we said solve the equations with one step. Now we're going to go ahead and solve two steps. So our strategy is we're going to isolate our variable. We're going to get h, in this case, by itself. We're going to move whatever's on that side of the equation away so we can, it's left by itself. So step one, we're always going to look to add or subtract first. Then we're going to look to multiply or divide, secondarily right now. So first step, add and subtract. Second step, multiply and divide, and we'll be done from there. Check your work, make sure it makes sense, and we can do that pre-step or before it as well. So let's go ahead. We're going to go through two examples, and then I want you to solve three and see if we get it. So first of all, we want to isolate for x. So again, I go ahead and I want to draw in a line that separates it. So I need to get rid of the 4 and the 2. I get rid of the 4, it's 4 times x, so the opposite of multiplying is dividing. It's plus 2, so the opposite of adding is subtracting. So we subtract the 2, then to get rid of the 4, I divide. Alright, did it backwards. I want this line in so you see I have two sides of the equation. Next, we have this right here, m divided by 4 minus 3 equals negative 6. So we're looking just at the left-hand side. So we go ahead, we want to put in, so how do I get rid of the 3? I add it. How do I get rid of the 4? It's m divided by 4. The opposite of dividing by 4 is multiplying. So we're going to go ahead and add the 3 to both sides. Once we have that, now the opposite of dividing by 4 is multiplying by 4. So m equals negative 12. Again, I want you to draw this line in first. I put it out of order. But I want you to draw the line in first so that way we can go ahead and solve it. So I'm going to give you three examples to do. I want you to solve them out and then label the answer. First one. There we go. 20 plus 5z equals 60. So think about, how can I get z by itself? How would you get rid of the 20? How would you get rid of the 5? So if you get rid of, start with addition, subtraction. Do the opposite. So you have to get rid of the 20 first, and then the 5. So go ahead and do it. Stop this power, or stop the YouTube video now. Go ahead and solve it, and then see which one you get. You should have gotten B, 8 as your answer. Go ahead, we'll do the next one. Again, solve for B, isolate your answer, or isolate this variable B. So think about, how do you get rid of 7? How do you get rid of 2? Take your time. Stop if need be. And your answer should be D, 9. Add 7, divide by 2. Last one, 4a plus 4 equals 16. Take your time, stop. Remember, isolate a, so get rid of this 4, then this 4. Your answer should be B. So that's it for today. So we're going to solve two-step equations by adding and subtracting. We add first, and then we would go ahead and we add and subtract first, and then multiply and divide secondarily.